English fast, what you'll learn today. What if I told you that in just 6 minutes, you could learn 30 essential sentences that native English speakers use every single day? By the end of this video, you'll hear these sentences in your mind and feel them rolling off your tongue naturally. I'm Sarah, and I'm here to share my personal morning routine using the most common English sentences that I actually use every day. But here's the secret. You're not just listening. You're shadowing me. Shadowing technique. Copy like a native speaker. Welcome to Edutalks. If you've never tried shadowing before, you're about to discover the fastest way to speak English fluently. Here's the magic. Listen carefully, then repeat exactly what I say. Copy my rhythm, my tone, my speed. Don't overthink grammar. Just let your mouth and ears learn the natural flow of English. Today is part 1 of my complete morning routine, covering everything from waking up to leaving for work. These are 30 sentences that I personally use every day. And after shadowing me, you'll start speaking them naturally too. If you're new here and want to speak English confidently every single day, hit subscribe now. Get ready to transform your English in just 6 minutes. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first. That's perfectly normal. Just follow along, do your best, and watch your English improve with each sentence. Let's start shadowing. Let's begin with my morning routine. Listen carefully first, then shadow me. Ready? Let's go. 1. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. 2. The alarm rings softly on my nightstand. 3. I stretch my arms high and take a deep breath. 4. First, I drink a glass of warm water. 5. I brush my teeth gently for 2 minutes. 6. I wash my face with cold water to wake up. 7. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. 8. I comb my hair neatly and adjust my clothes. 9. I put on my favourite comfortable outfit. 10. I make my bed neatly before leaving the room. Perfect! Can you feel these sentences starting to flow naturally? Keep going. Your English speaking skills are improving with every line. 11. I walk to the kitchen and turn on the coffee maker. 12. I make oatmeal and toast for breakfast. 13. I enjoy breakfast while reading messages on my phone. 14. I drink a cup of tea and a glass of orange juice. 15. After breakfast, I clean the dishes in the sink. 16. I choose my outfit for work carefully. 17. I put on my jacket and tie. 18. I check the weather app on my phone. 19. I pack my lunch in a small container. 20. I grab my wallet, keys and phone before leaving. Amazing! You're halfway through day 1. If you're shadowing with me right now, leave a heart in the comments. I want to see how many of you are practicing today. 21. I leave my house at 7:50 sharp. 22. I walk to the bus stop near my apartment. 23. I wait for the number 10 bus to arrive. 24. On the bus, I listen to an English podcast. 25. I arrive at my office at 8:30. 26. I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. 27. I check my emails and prepare my to-do list. 28. I attend 2 important meetings in the morning. 29. During lunch break, I eat at the office cafeteria. 30. I work on my computer and complete tasks until 5 o'clock. Excellent! You've just shadowed 30 practical English sentences. Keep practicing, and your fluency will grow day by day. Incredible! You just shadowed 30 practical morning sentences. But we've only completed the first part of your day. Tomorrow's episode will cover the evening routine, plus 5 secret phrases that will make you sound 100% fluent. Here's a little sneak peek. Hit subscribe now. Part 2 drops tomorrow, and here's your challenge. Use the sentence, I leave my house at sharp. Comment your time below. I want to see it. Don't stop here. Your English journey is just getting started. I'll see you in part 2. Keep shadowing, keep improving. You're doing amazing.